Okay guys, just quick little video on how to get started on your website. When you log in, your site or your space should look similar to this. There's going to be a few things that are different. Obviously you won't have this here and you won't have some of these things, but to get started you guys need to click create a site. Okay. This is going to be basically the title of your site. I'm going to call it Fresh Water Ecosystems. Or you can call it whatever you want to call it. You can call it by the name of your biome. If you want to call it something creative, you may do this. And what kind of site is it? It's an education site, and this is a class project. And then you're going to go ahead and do continue. This and this you do not need to worry about. This is where you're going to be basically coming up with the address for your website. You can call it something related to your ecosystem. You can do part of your name. Don't use your first and last name anywhere on the website. It's just a good idea. Just smart. I'm going to call this Mr. D Biome. Now when I look, oh no, Mr. D Biome is taken. So I've got to come up with a new name. MD Biome is available, so that could be Mr. D Biome. Okay. As soon as you have a name that says available that you like, you can go ahead and do continue. And this is where you get started. You can see right here that it pulls up an image for you. It gives you a design. You can start here and you can go. But if you want to change your image or your design, there's some tabs up here, and we'll be kind of taking a look at those. And there's some tabs here within those. I'm going to start with design, and I'm going to do click design, and when you hover your mouse over the designs up here, it previews it for you. I like this one. I'm going to do a deciduous, even though I said freshwater, you know, maybe I'm going to do a deciduous forest, so I'm going to use this one. Now, you can also, once you click on it, it sets it, and you can go down and you can edit this image. You can click on it and you can add text. You can add an deciduous forest. You can even upload your own image if you have one by clicking add image. So those are different things you can do. You don't have to do. Or if I clicked it and I decided, oh, I don't like that, this red X comes up, I go ahead and click that and I delete it. Okay. I'm going to go cancel. And now I've got my design, so I want to start putting information on this page. So I'm going to go back to Elements, and you can see that this is all drag and drop. So if I want to add a title, I just go ahead and take this and I drag it down and I type in my title for this paragraph. If I want to do a paragraph, I take this and I drag it down here, and I can start typing some information that I want to share, so on and so forth. When it comes time to adding a page, page 2, page 3, producers, consumers, those kind of things, what you do is you go up to pages, you click on it, and I'm going to do a new page. I click on it, and let's say this page is going to be my producers. So what I do is I go ahead and I do producers, and then I'm going to click edit page. And you can see it brings me to a new page where I can start adding information, and up here are my tabs. So if I want to go back and edit my home page, and this will also show up when your website is done, I click there and it brings me back here. So that's just how you guys can go ahead and get started with your page.